Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm doing a little cute ponytail hairstyle for you. I realize that these videos do very well. Even when I post them on shorts, they actually do very well. And so I'm just incorporating these videos along with my motivational videos for you. So these are the products that I'm going to be using to sleek my hair. I'm going to make a bun to the back, sleek it at the back so as to achieve the look that I want to achieve. And let me tell you, I have not done my hair like this in a very long time. But this is what I'm gonna do because usually when I do my hair this way, it doesn't comes out the way I want it to. So I'm gonna just part the back in half, and then I'm gonna add some of the gel at the back, and then I'm gonna sleek and comb the top on top of the bottom so it can be very neat. But if you guys want to know how I grow my hair to this length, then I've posted a video on my YouTube channel sometime last year. I'm also going to be linking that in the iCard above, so you guys can go ahead and watch that video to see how I grew my hair to this length. And yes, of course, I've washed my hair. It shrinks a little bit and then I blow it out. But really and truly, let me tell you, my hair has grown a lot in the past 2 years. And I've given you the secret to how you can grow your natural hair to this length. And let me tell you, it's just all natural products. So I will be linking that video in the iCard so you guys can go ahead and watch that video. So please pay attention to the iCard above. Also, while I sleek my hair back, I'm just leaving out some edges at the front because I pay very special attention to my edges. I like to style my edges. I enjoy doing it. So I have to do some leave out so I can go ahead and curve it the way I want to curve it. And so I'm sleeking my hair back, and I'm gonna use a scrunchie to catch my hair in a bun at the back. And let me tell you, my hair has really grown. I'm telling you, I am so proud of my hair journey because my hair was not this length like 3 years ago. And I remember when I decided that I'm gonna grow my hair natural because I wanted to start my YouTube channel, and natural hair are more versatile, and I'm gonna be doing more of these videos here for you guys because I don't really do them a lot. Because let me tell you, combing your hair is gonna be like, if doing this kind of hairstyle, I'm gonna have to be doing my hair every week. So I'm using my got to be just to see if I can get it a little bit more neat and a little bit more sleek. So listen, don't forget to use your got to be. So I use a little got to be glue on top of my hair. And I'm gonna also be using some I have some wrap strips that you guys are gonna see. I have some wrap strips I have for a very long time, and I almost threw them out. But before I use the wrap strip, I'm going to be doing my edges with my favorite edge control, which is a lot about the edge control. I always talk about this edge control because I love it. I love the smell of it, the coconut smell and the vibe, and everything about it is so good. It's not flaky. It's a little bit oily, which I like. And it's just the perfect fit for my hair. This is no way advertising this product. But if the brand is watching my video, then of course you can send me your product because I use your product a lot in my hair, and I really do enjoy using the Lotta Body products because I love anything that has coconut in it. So guys, I'm doing my edges, but I'm not gonna because my edges already have gel on it. It's kind of a little bit thick, so I'm just gonna curve it at the back. You know what I mean? But guys, let me tell you about my book on how to become a wig influencer. If you're seeing right behind me right now on that desk, that's my book on how you can become a wig influencer. I've been a wig influencer for a while. I've been reviewing wigs and synthetic products on my YouTube page here for a very long time. So if you guys are interested to become a wig influencer, I have that book. I will leave the link below. You can get it on Amazon, and you can also get the digital copy. I also have a book that contains 150 wig companies that you can reach out to get wig collaborations. And I also have in that book some influencer platforms that you can sign up with to become a wig influencer if you want to review brand products and so much more. So if you guys are interested, the link will be down below in the description bar. You can go ahead and click the link to purchase my book on Amazon, or you can also get a digital copy within minutes to your email address. So the link will be down below for that. So yeah, I'm just ensuring that my edges is sleeked before I start to do the ponytail. So I have these as I was saying earlier, I have these mega wrap strips I have for a long time that I'm gonna be using. And the reason why I'm using the wrap strip is because I'm gonna be applying hair glue, and I don't want the hair glue to be directly on my hair. So I am using the wrap strips to wrap my natural hair, and then I'm gonna do the ponytail. So I'm just securing the wrap strip here with a little bit of glue, and then I'm going to use, listen guys, let me tell you a little secret. It's the first time I'm doing this hairstyle, the very first time. Let me tell you, it was a bit challenging because while I was applying the glue to the hair, I'm using some bundles, if you may ask. So this is some bundles that I have, some leftover bundles from my previous hair video that I did with the sewing. I had some bundles left over, and this is the bundle that I'm using to make my sleek ponytail. So this was a bit challenging adding the glue because I cannot see, and I was asking my son to help me to look to see if the glue was applying correctly. So I apply the glue to the strips of the hair, and then I wrap it. I constantly wrap it around. So I wrap it from the end of my natural hair, and I wrap it all the way up so it's more secure. So as you can see, I'm applying it to the band, the strips of the human hair bundle, and then I'm just wrapping it around. When I get to the end, I leave out a little part here. As you can see, I tighten it and I wrap it all the way around, and this is just to secure the bun, to secure the ponytail. As you can see guys, you can do this hairstyle yourself if you don't have to always be running to the salon, because listen, I ain't got time and I ain't got money. So this, you need to watch this video, take note, learn, and if you have any questions, you can always leave it in the comment section and I'll answer your question for you. So you constantly wrap this around until it's done, it's finished, finito. And when you wrap it around, you secure it because you don't want the bun to fall off. You want to make it as secure as possible. And then you can add some got to be glue, or you can add anything else that can help to secure it. As you can see, it's very secure, as you can see here. I'm just gonna add some oil to the hair, some oil sheen, liquid oil sheen to the hair, just to make it a little bit shinier. And there you go. It didn't take me long to do this hairstyle. It was quick and easy. I want you guys to let me know if you want to see more of these hairstyle. I have so many ideas. Let me know if you're interested in these kind of content, and I'll be posting more for you. So thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified on my next video. Leave a comment, share the video with a friend, like the video, and I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Links to my books and my TikTok page will be in the description bar. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.